Have you ever felt like your small business finances are a chaotic tangle of transactions, receipts, and accounts, leaving you perpetually stressed and unsure of your true cash flow? Do you wish there was a way to untangle that mess, gain crystal clear visibility, and even automate some of the most tedious financial tasks, all while keeping your money secure? If you answered yes, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into Relay, an innovative business banking platform that's not just a bank account, but a powerful financial management tool designed specifically for small business owners like you. Forget everything you thought you knew about business banking, because Relay offers some truly game-changing hacks that can revolutionize how you manage your money, optimize your cash flow, and ultimately, help your business thrive. We're going beyond the basic features and digging into the strategic ways you can leverage Relay to your advantage. From hyper-organized finances to automated savings, controlled spending, and streamlined accounting, we're going to break down exactly how Relay empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes. This isn't just about switching banks, it's about upgrading your entire financial operating system. Let's get started with the first, and arguably most impactful, Relay hack. Hack number 1. The power of 20. Hyper-organize your finances with multiple accounts. Imagine having a dedicated checking account for every single aspect of your business finances. Sounds like a dream, right? With traditional banks, that's often a nightmare: fees, minimum balances, and endless paperwork. But Relay makes it not only possible, but free and easy. Relay allows you to open up to 20 individual checking accounts under a single business name. This isn't just about sub-accounts, these are truly separate accounts, each with its own account number. Why is this a game changer? Because it allows you to implement a financial organization strategy that goes far beyond basic budgeting. Think about it, you can have separate accounts for operating expenses, your day-to-day costs; payroll, dedicated funds for your team; taxes, set aside sales tax, income tax, and payroll tax automatically. This is huge for avoiding year-end surprises. Profit, yes, set aside profit first, just like Mike Michalowicz preaches in Profit First. Marketing budget, keep your marketing spend clearly separated. Emergency fund, build a buffer for unexpected challenges. Specific projects, if you have large projects with their own budgets, give them their own account. Owner's pay, clearly define and manage your own compensation. Savings goals, whether it's for new equipment, a website redesign, or expansion, have a dedicated savings account for each goal. The benefits here are immense. Firstly, it provides unparalleled clarity. At a glance, you know exactly how much money you have allocated to each category. No more mental gymnastics trying to figure out if you have enough for payroll after that big software subscription hit. Secondly, it fosters discipline. When funds are physically separated, you're less likely to borrow from your tax fund to cover an unforeseen expense. This encourages intentional spending and prevents overspending in any single category. And the beauty of Relay is how easy they make it to manage these accounts. You can transfer funds between them instantly, right from your dashboard. This means you can implement strategies like the Profit First method with absolute ease, automating transfers on a percentage basis or fixed amount to ensure you're always setting aside money for profit, taxes, and other critical areas before you even think about spending. This level of granular control is a true superpower for any small business owner. Hack number 2, smart spending with team cards and granular controls. As your business grows, so does the need to delegate financial responsibilities. But handing out your primary business debit card to employees is a recipe for disaster and a major security risk. Relay solves this with its robust team card and spending control features. You can issue up to 50 physical or virtual Visa debit cards to your team members. This is where the magic truly happens. Each card can be tied to a specific checking account you've already set up. Imagine this: your marketing manager has a card linked only to the marketing budget account. Your operations manager has a card linked to the operating expenses account. This immediately eliminates ambiguity about who is spending what and from which budget. But it gets even better. For each card, you can set Spending limits, daily, weekly, or monthly limits to prevent overspending. Approved vendors, restrict purchases to specific merchants. Need a card just for gas? Done. Real-time tracking, see every transaction as it happens, giving you instant visibility into team spending. Instant freeze/unfreeze, if a card is lost or you suspect unauthorized activity, you can instantly freeze it from your phone. Receipt capture, employees can easily upload receipts directly to Relay, eliminating the need for tedious manual reconciliation and keeping your books audit ready. This hack is all about control and accountability. You empower your team to make necessary purchases without sacrificing financial oversight. No more messy reimbursements, no more surprise expenses, and a huge reduction in the risk of internal fraud. Its efficiency meets security, all in one seamless system. Hack number 3, automate your accounts payable and bill pay. Manual bill paying is a time sink and prone to errors. Relay streamlines your accounts payable process, turning a tedious chore into an efficient, automated workflow. With Relay, you can pay bills via ACH, check, or wire. Choose the method that works best for each vendor. Free same-day ACH transfers are a significant perk. Schedule recurring payments. Put your regular expenses on autopilot, ensuring you never miss a bill and incur late fees. Collect payee details securely. Instead of chasing down banking information, you can send a secure link to your vendors to input their own details, reducing errors and saving you time. Set up approval rules. For larger payments, you can require approval from specific team members before a payment goes out, adding another layer of control and preventing unauthorized disbursements. This isn't just about paying bills faster, it's about gaining peace of mind. Knowing that your essential expenses are handled automatically and securely frees up valuable time and mental energy that you can dedicate to growing your business. It's about proactive financial management instead of reactive firefighting. Hack number 4, seamless accounting integrations for effortless bookkeeping. One of the biggest headaches for small business owners is reconciling their bank accounts with their accounting software. Relay effectively eliminates this pain point with its deep and reliable integrations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.